fish and chips. Ylang Ylang. Toothpaste. Marijuana. Pesto. Permanent markers. Thyme. Old Spice. Incense. Fresh money. Sauted Onions. Melted butter. Eucalyptus oil. Freshly cut hay in the fields. Baby's hair. Everglow. Puppies. Nachos. Starbucks. Loved ones. The way your home smells after you've been away. New paper. Black tea. Just lit matches. A new car. Freshly mowed grass. Gardenia. Magnolia Trees. Bacon frying. Fresh basil. Fresh waffle cones. Pumpkin pie. Mango. Freshly washed hair. Jasmine. Coconut. Barbecue. Rose. Honeysuckle. Old books. Freshly popped popcorn. Orange. A real Christmas tree. Chocolate. Pizza. Clothes fresh out of the dryer. Mint. Wood. Burning wood. Vanilla. after it rains. Freshly baked bread. Cookies fresh from the oven.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.